Yet again, if we eradicate the limits, the most charming divine body I perceive is the one that may be uncommon in our sky. It is this one scarab squeeze. It's a gigantic red supermassive star, and if you were to situate it where our Sun is, it would stretch out completely to the orbit of Jupiter. This huge, incredibly unstable star is nearly at the point of exploding. However, it's not as straightforward as it might seem. In the universe, these titanic events, like the most extreme supernovae, could shake everything we observe and even things we don't. But we can't see it clearly. Betelgeuse is considered a prime example of a red supergiant star, typically much larger than our Sun. Brian Cox, along with other astronomers, believes it could explode in a supernova soon. People have become increasingly concerned about what will happen because the James Webb Space Telescope has been capturing stunning images of the star. When exactly will Betelgeuse explode into a supernova? And what significant impact will it have on Earth? Let's delve into this star in the majestic Orion constellation, which shines so brightly that even ancient civilizations took notice. The stunning star. Betelgeuse resides on the eastern shoulder of the Orion constellation. It ranks as the second largest star in Orion, and its name derives from this location, marking it as a shoulder star. It is also one of the brightest stars visible in the night sky. Despite its brightness, the star emits a striking red hue, which, as we will explore, signals potential danger. Mankind has long studied Betelgeuse. The Greek astronomer Tychonicus, noted it long ago. At that time, people recognized stars mainly by their color. Tychonicus observed that the star had a reddish-orange tint, a concerning sign. Unusual behavior. Recently, scientists have been studying Betelgeuse with far greater precision, and they now have a much clearer understanding of what makes it so remarkably luminous. One key factor is its dramatic brightness variations, fluctuating by as much as 0.6 magnitudes. Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning its brightness changes periodically. In 2019, researchers discovered unprecedented behavior. Though Betelgeuse didn't stop shining completely, its luminosity significantly decreased, dropping by about 1.6 magnitudes, prompting scientists to investigate the cause of this anomaly in one of the brightest stars in the sky. They sought an explanation for why Betelgeuse was behaving so erratically. Their findings suggest that Betelgeuse could explode as a supernova at any moment. The warning of Brian Cox. Renowned scientist Brian Cox, a professor of particle physics at the University of Manchester and a Royal Society professor for public engagement in science, has shared a worrying assessment. As a popular science communicator, his perspective is widely respected. Cox explained that Betelgeuse appears to be a ticking time bomb, one that could erupt with little warning. Supporting this claim, the James Webb Space Telescope has provided crucial evidence. However, many mysteries remain about Betelgeuse's erratic behavior. Why does Betelgeuse act so unpredictably? With new data, Betelgeuse is now seen as a prime supernova candidate. However, experts still don't know when the explosion will occur. The fact that Betelgeuse's mass is nearly twice that of the Sun supports this classification. Generally, stars with at least several times the Sun's mass are considered supernova candidates. A star on the edge. The plot thickens because scientists have used a variety of tools, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory (LIGO), to investigate the star. However, the findings remain shrouded in mystery. Betelgeuse was born millions of years ago, and since then it has displayed unusual signs, leaving its fate uncertain. What have researchers discovered? They detected peculiar light waves emanating from the star, raising further intrigue. But this wasn't the only odd occurrence. The star's flickering light. Betelgeuse, as a variable star, fluctuates in brightness. There were reports that it experienced periodic dimming episodes, somewhat akin to sunspots on our own Sun, but with different cycles. Its fluctuations between bright and dim phases now occur twice as fast as they once did. Another bizarre sign of Betelgeuse acting strangely. In February 2021, scientists observed that its dimming cycle reached an unprecedented low of plus 1.61 magnitudes. This followed a massive dimming event, marking the beginning of its erratic behavior and raising alarms that Betelgeuse might be nearing its end. Between 2019 and 2020, the star dimmed to its lowest observed level, leading many experts to believe that a supernova explosion could occur within the next 100,000 years. However, when Betelgeuse brightened again after this remarkable dimming, things became even more puzzling. A star brighter than expected. Astrophysicist Andrea Dupree from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics noted that the star is now 150% brighter than usual, making it the 7th brightest star in the sky. Scientists were shocked to see a red glow emerging from the southern part of the star. The mystery deepens. This development sparked multiple theories about the cause of Betelgeuse's dramatic dimming. It is crucial to note that not every star emits the same red glow as Betelgeuse. This glow classifies it as a red supergiant, the final stage of a star's life before its death. The final phase of Betelgeuse. This red hue results from a surface temperature of approximately 3,500 Kelvin, significantly cooler than the Sun's outer layer, around 5,500 Kelvin. Since Betelgeuse is cooler than the Sun, it emits less energy per unit of surface area, despite being far larger and close to exploding. Should we take Betelgeuse's dimming as a sign that a supernova is imminent? The fact that Betelgeuse is already in its red supergiant phase indicates that it is nearing the end of its life. Stars in this stage often dim as they die, which scientists can detect. However, Betelgeuse's recent erratic behavior has intensified scientific scrutiny. Today, many telescopes are focused on this puzzling dimming event, trying to gather more insights. Modern observations. Things keep getting more intriguing, as researchers still do not have a deep understanding of Betelgeuse's behavior. Using cutting-edge instruments, scientists are closely monitoring the star. The James Webb Space Telescope has been one of the most valuable tools since its launch in 2021, helping astronomers gather new critical data on Betelgeuse. The telescope's images of the star's dramatic dimming revealed that the event was caused by a massive mass ejection, estimated to be about 400 billion times larger than a typical coronal mass ejection, CME, from the Sun. The future of Betelgeuse. What's next for Betelgeuse? Scientists continue to analyze and debate. While a supernova is inevitable, predicting exactly when remains uncertain. Until then, the mystery of Betelgeuse's fate keeps the scientific community captivated. For example, explicit light frequencies and frequencies, causing it to be an important resource. Specialists have noticed dust mists forming on the star's surface that seem to look like leaves in space, an odd yet captivating finding. In spite of the fact that scarab juice is without a doubt moving toward its end, researchers keep looking for indications of when it will finally detonate, as no one realizes the exact moment. Bug juice is believed to be significantly more massive than the Sun, and specialists anticipate that this brilliant red star will shine for the next 10 years. However, given the star's bizarre behavior, it is difficult to say whether this prediction will turn out as expected. After the huge darkening event, for the present, researchers do not expect that bug juice will explode in the short term. However, when it does, it will be the first supernova observed in quite some time since Johannes Kepler's observation in 1604. Researchers do not believe it will happen soon because they are still trying to understand the star's irregular behavior. Regardless of this uncertainty, when creepy-crawly juice eventually explodes, it will be an exceptional and rare galactic event. When it finally goes supernova, it will release a massive amount of energy, momentarily shining brighter than the entire world and appearing as brilliant as the full moon from Earth. Though the supernova will be a striking cosmic event, it will not pose any direct threat to Earth, as Betelgeuse is over 600 light-years away. Nonetheless, it will provide a significant opportunity for scientists to study the final stages of a massive star's life and the phenomena associated with such an explosive event. Bug juice's inevitable downfall is not just a scientific curiosity but also a reminder of the vast and unpredictable nature of the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse play a crucial role in the life cycle of galaxies, enriching the universe with elements essential for the creation of new stars, planets, and potentially life itself. The death of such a star is not an end but a transformation, as it releases heavy elements that will seed new celestial systems. Meanwhile, researchers continue to observe bug juice, piecing together the puzzle of its future. With each new discovery, the mystery surrounding it deepens, expanding our understanding of the universe. Perhaps in the years to come, we will witness one of the most extraordinary events in the cosmos, the transformation of bug juice from an enormous red supergiant into a stunning supernova. Until then, the sky will remain a canvas of wonder, with Betelgeuse shining brightly as a reminder of the transient nature of life in the universe. Betelgeuse's transition into a supernova is an event that will captivate astronomers and skywatchers alike. Although we are uncertain when exactly this transformation will occur, the star's current instability has sparked a wave of speculation about its future. The advanced instruments and technologies at our disposal, such as the James Webb and Hubble space telescopes, have provided astronomers with unprecedented insights into the behavior of this remarkable star. As Betelgeuse's brightness fluctuates and its unusual changes continue, researchers are meticulously studying the data in hopes of understanding what triggers these shifts. The star's extreme variability could be a precursor to the violent explosion that will ultimately mark the end of its stellar life. Whether bug juice will explode within the next few years or over a much longer period remains uncertain. One thing is clear: the universe is full of cosmic surprises, and bug juice's eventual demise will be a spectacle that brings new opportunities for discovery. Throughout the centuries, stargazers have observed and studied countless stars, but few have garnered as much attention as Betelgeuse. Its immense size, variable brightness, and unusual behavior have made it a subject of intense examination. As a red supergiant, bug juice is already in the final stage of its life cycle. The star's enormous size means that it will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel, leading to its ultimate collapse and subsequent explosion into a supernova. This explosive event will release a staggering amount of energy, dramatically altering the surrounding cosmic environment. Despite the many uncertainties surrounding the exact timing of bug juice's supernova, astronomers agree on one thing: the star's eventual demise will be one of the most significant cosmic events of our lifetime. The data being collected by the most advanced telescopes today is helping to unravel the star's mysteries, providing crucial information about the processes that occur during the final stages of a star's life. By studying bug juice's behavior, scientists can gain deeper insights into the broader mechanics of stellar evolution. Additionally, the explosion of bug juice will likely leave a lasting impact on the surrounding space, enriching the interstellar medium with heavy elements that will eventually be incorporated into new stars, planets, and possibly even life forms. This cycle of creation and destruction is a fundamental aspect of the life cycle of stars, and Betelgeuse's supernova will be a prime example of this cosmic process. As we continue to monitor bug juice and other stars in similar stages of evolution, astronomers are utilizing cutting-edge technology to better understand the forces at play. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled ability to observe distant objects in the universe, is providing a wealth of data that will shape our understanding of stellar dynamics. The images and measurements captured by this telescope are helping to shed light on the intricate mechanisms that drive a star's evolution, from its birth to its ultimate end. Although the death of a star may seem like a catastrophic event, it is, in fact, a crucial step in the ongoing cycle of stellar development. The elements released during a supernova contribute to the formation of new stars, planets, and possibly even life. In this sense, the death of bug juice and stars like it is not an end, but rather a transformation that fuels the birth of new celestial bodies. Thus, Betelgeuse's supernova will play a critical role in the ongoing evolution of the universe, contributing to the creation of the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Until the day bug juice finally explodes, astronomers will continue to observe and study its behavior. Piecing together the clues will help them predict its future. The star's unpredictable dimming and brightening cycles, as well as its other strange behaviors, make it a fascinating subject of study. With each new discovery, scientists are learning more about the processes that govern the life cycle of stars, and, by extension, the evolution of the universe itself. The mystery surrounding Betelgeuse's fate serves as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. The universe is filled with untold wonders, and the study of stars like Betelgeuse allows us to glimpse the intricate processes that shape the fabric of reality. As we continue to explore the cosmos and expand our understanding of the forces that govern it, we are reminded of the delicate, fleeting nature of life itself. The stars, including bug juice, shine brightly in the night sky, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary and ever-changing universe in which we live.